Do you think that makes you fit for the job of president?
Yes, of course. Given the problems of my country, yes. I have 4 million drug addicts in my country. I said, do not destroy my country. And if you destroy the youth of my land, you are destroying my country. So that I will kill you.
Duterte has declared a war on drugs, and Duterte isn't just a guy who talks the talk.
We absolutely cannot underestimate his capacity for mass unlawful violence.
Kabilang sa mga international organization na naging mainit sa Administrasyong Duterte ay ang International Criminal Court o ICC.
In the first place, why are you interfering in the affairs of my country and other countries? And who gave you the authority? By what divine law gave you the authority to prosecute me in a foreign land? You must be crazy. We have the courts here functioning. And if the court says that I should go to jail, I will go to jail. Walang problema yan. Rat in prison for my country.
Formal nang kumalas ang Pilipinas sa ICC noong March 2019. Sa paliwanag ng ilang historian, dapat umanong balikan ang kasaysayan upang higit na maunawaan ang panghihimasok ng international community sa mga polisiya ng bansa.
Ano ang moral ascendancy ng international community? Like for example, ng mga taga-Europe, ng mga taga-Amerika. Ano ang moral ascendancy nila para questionin yung human rights ng Pangulong Duterte? Samantalang sa kasaysayan, the Europeans and the Americans are really the oppressor. Sino bang sumakop sa Indonesia, Netherlands? Sino bang sumakop sa Malaysia, sa Singapore, sa Hong Kong, ang United Kingdom? Sino sumakop sa Pilipinas, ang Espanya, ang Amerika? Sila ang mga nag-oppress.